हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अ न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ स्टॉकल। दोस्तों, आज हम किसी एक सेक्टर की नहीं बल्कि दो सेक्टर्स की बात करेंगे। In the past couple of years, you must have heard about these two sectors several times. Yes, as the title suggests, they are none other than technology and pharma. Since the pandemic began, most of the businesses were disrupted due to the direct impact on transportation and logistics. But the information technology sector, as it was ready for remote work, was least affected. In fact, IT companies boomed during the lockdown. And needless to say, pharma indeed has done well with increased demand in recent times. So we know both sectors have done well since the start of the pandemic in 2020. But of course, we are more interested in knowing how the recent 12 months have been for these two sectors when things started to get back on track, and what will the road ahead look like, right? So let's build our discussion around these topics today. For starters, let us glance at the performance of these two sectors. Talking about the IT sector, in the last year, it has outperformed the broader markets with a total return of more than 20%. Not just across the United States, but the technology sector has performed well even globally. As far as the healthcare industry is concerned, the pharma stocks have given a handful of returns in 2020 to 21 when the pandemic impact was at its peak. COVID vaccine companies like Moderna gave multi-bagger returns, whereas Pfizer doubled investors' wealth. After quite a run, the pharma industry seems to have taken a halt. After all, even after giving our best performance at work, even we need to chill a bit on the weekends, don't we? However, in the past year, the pharma industry's overall return was about 9%. And with those figures, it's not that bad, is it? The technology sector comprises of enterprises selling goods and services related to information technology. The key categories of technology industry in the United States are software, devices and infrastructure, IT services, emerging technology, and telecom services. The behemoth tech giants include Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. On the other side of the table are pharma companies involved in the research, development, manufacturing, and selling of drugs to treat and cure diseases. Large pharma names include Pfizer, Merck, and Organon. Now the question is, what about the future of both the industries? Correct? Well, with digitization penetrating all walks of life, there is an increasing demand for cybersecurity, analytics, blockchain, networking, etc. This is likely to remain so as technology continues to serve as a backbone to almost everything we put our hands on today. And as far as the pharma industry is concerned, the pandemic has strengthened its foundations. Pharma companies have a track record of successfully defending their profitability. Moreover, the regulations will continue to have a significant impact on the industry's credit profile over the medium term. Out of the 5 industries driving the US economy, healthcare and information technology are the top 2 sectors. While healthcare helped in recovery from the COVID-19 caused economic downturn, IT advancements like artificial intelligence and machine learning supported growth in other sectors. While the technology and pharma industries remain at the top, you can invest in fundamentally strong companies in this space. To begin your journey of investing in the US stock market, download the Stockal app from Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Needless to say, you must always research about the company before investing. Thank you for joining us today. We will see you in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, happy investing.